As any medical person knows, trying to get a helmet off is pretty tough, no matter how hard you pull.
These guys are trying to get underneath, they're moving your spine, they're moving your neck, they're trying to get underneath to get your helmet off.
The Eject system is a way to eliminate the possibility of getting those secondary type spinal injuries as a result of what you have to do.
The helmet eject system is one of the great systems that we can use nowadays.
I cringe every time we have to take the helmet off back in the old days because there was just no way to hold the neck safe and get it off without doing some kind of movement.
There's a way to do that without them having to really reposition anything. I think that would be hugely beneficial.
Well, when you arrive at the scene of an accident, one of the biggest problems is not knowing whether there's an injury to the neck or not.
If that situation ever presented itself and a driver was unconscious in a big crash and no one really knows the extent of his damages, if there's a way to get the helmet off and not have to have the medical personnel working on your neck in order to do it, that would be very beneficial.
With having the eject system involved, then you can take the helmet off and have a real good peace of mind that you're not doing any manipulation of the neck. And the way it's designed, it's ingenious. You can pull the helmet off without having any movement of the neck at all, and that's exactly what we want from the medical's perspective.
It's basically a tiny little mylar bag that when folded up, it's about the size of a matchbook. When inflated, it's about the size of a volleyball. It has a small bit of surgical tubing connected to it, and it can be easily inflated, and the helmet comes right off the head.
For what it is, there's no extra weight, no uncomfortable, no difference in time, the driver change or anything like that.
I mean, when I'm driving normally, you don't even know it's there, so as long as you don't ever have to use it, it works out perfectly.